Excuse me, miss. Where are we going?
Home.
Yeah, about to play billiards. You know what I'm saying? You know that I'm the champion, right? I had training camp in Thailand, so now I gotta bring my skills to the Philippines.
Let's see.
You know what I mean? We like Mandaluyong, actually empty streets. But yeah, I found online some place to play because it's not Thailand, it's not billiard every corner. You know what I mean? So we will have a little competition. She looks stunning. You feel me? Beautiful. Guapa, guapa. You feel me? Fun times in the Philippines. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, we're in a place. It's like not similar. Not really similar to Thailand, but maybe like 10%. There's some, you know, live music. There is some like local food. You know what I mean? So a little bit similarities. Super empty, but we go there. There's also bowling and darts there. We focus on playing pool, but who knows? And yeah, I'm actually surprised by how peaceful it is, you know? What? What did you show?
No.
What was
No,
that?
I'm just singing like I'm doing this. No. Oh, this is the I'm innocent.
What?
You look like the Mr. Bean, yeah?
Mr. Beast? You are Mr. Beast. Guapa.
Guapa. Maganda.
Maganda.
Guys, you're always doing that.
Yeah, and you always fall for it. So I don't know what's worse. You feel amazing, but I don't know what it is. I think it's here. Let's get inside. You ready? You sure?
I don't know how.
Yeah,
But it's okay.
I gotta teach her a little bit how to play. So that's how it looks like. It's pretty cool. Over there is bowling. It's so loud. But yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Look, this one. You know, I'm champion, you feel me? Oh, supposed to be good, supposed to be good. I gotta show her how to play, so we'll see, we'll see. Look at this, look at this. Yeah, show it, show it. Yeah. Best player. she a cheater. She say, oh, I don't know how to play, and she pull up, you know, this thing. But yeah, it's good for me.
Just kidding. Sometimes you need to be like, you need to lie. Sometimes you need to lie. This is some cheaters. Oh, the white. No, the white is cheater. You're supposed to be not for cheater.
Oh my god. Let's see. She tried to act nonchalant, you feel me? Wow.
Ay, putang ina! La?
Not this time. Not this time.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh my god. Yeah, we got last one. Last 8. I'll be a winner to look. But I'm still about to win. You know what I mean? I'm still about to win. Okay, my sentence now. Winner!
Hello.
But winner get a kiss, right? Okay, it's first kiss in my life. You feel me? We gotta play one more time. Yeah, about to play one more time. Yeah, but I will not put camera immediate, like in the middle of the game or just. short clip. She lied about her skills, like, look at this now. That's her fault. This is her. So she winning, like right now she winning. How you feel that you're winning?
Sure, man.
You're still gonna lose.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how.
Oh. Sometimes when you try to be too funny, it goes worse. She will miss it, you will see. She will miss it, 100%.
Ah! Remove the camera! I don't want the camera anymore because I'm losing when there's a camera.
We got the joke, we got the joke. Yes, sir. I gotta win, no cup. Oh my god. Wait, wait. I'm winner. What's for winner?
What
What is for winner?
The price? I don't know. The important is kiwi.
When did I get a kiss? Crazy. She say, look at your face. I don't know.
A kiss mark.
Kiss mark
Yeah, my lipstick.
from you?
Yeah, my lipstick. Yeah, my
Yeah, the best date is pool date. Winner get a kiss. You already know what time it is. How you feel as a loser? You lost twice. How you feel with this?
It's okay. It's not my
Nah, you just wanna kiss me. Just be honest.
Oh wow.
You just wanna kiss me.
You just want me. You just want kiss.
Yes, I just want to kiss.
CCTV.
Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Paul. This guy say thank you, Paul.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Welcome, Somebody come. Yeah. We're about to go Makati, but that's for another video. I prefer make more but shorter, you feel me? Yeah, this building is funny because look the way it's like there are lights, you feel me? It looks funny, but yeah, it's cool. So, you know, let's just her say bye, say bye bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Yeah, and obviously guys, check out the description, you feel me? And as always, if you enjoyed this video, then like, comment, subscribe, give me some content recommendation in the comments, man. Stay tuned and see you on to the next one.